Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you are doing fine, amazing today. I've got another one for you, free airdrop, fuel airdrop, and yes, it literally, if you do it fast, it can take you 10 minutes, and the potentials are huge because they're gonna be airdropping very soon. I think this quarter, so we've got let's say a month left. The tasks are simple. I just don't want to drag you. Let's jump into it. All you're gonna need is MetaMask wallet and a fuel wallet, which I'm gonna show you in a second. So step number one, you've got the checklist as well below with all the links, all the exact step-by-step, like an airplane pilot basically. I'm trying to do it as simple as you can so you can go step by step. And also on Twitter, if you follow me, I'm posting there as well. I'll put the link down below to my Twitter. So step one, install fuel wallet. You find the link down below. I've installed it. You've got like a seed phrase. You go through it. This is a Chrome browser wallet. You create it, then you copy your seed phrase, save it somewhere, save or write it down. You have those steps, and then it will ask you to write it again or copy paste it again, and then you're good to go. You have the wallet installed like that with some networks, testnet networks from fuel. Basically it's a layer 2 on Ethereum, which means it's sort of using Ethereum network but trying to provide much cheaper transactions with bigger benefits. Step number 2, get the Ethereum test money. So this is going to be on our MetaMask wallet. So we're gonna go to MetaMask. If you don't have Sepolia network, once you can literally copy your normal address from your MetaMask, copy that and send it to yourself. Send it, you can have a bonus or whatever, but you can do it like once every 12 hours. So just wait for it to arrive. Once it arrives, you should have it in your wallet. But if you don't have that network attached yet, then go to step number 3. This is the deposit I made already confirmed. Just want to make sure everything works. In this step 3, there is a bridge from fuel network. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bridge from the Ethereum that we just got, the test Ethereum called Sepolia, on Sepolia network, to our fuel, obviously the main hero of the day network. And once you come here, you see that you connect your wallet, you connect your Ethereum wallet, MetaMask. So if you don't have that Sepolia network in your wallet yet, you should already have the money, because all you need is copy the address from any Ethereum, the one starting with 0x. And if you connect that, if you don't have the network, it will add it to your wallet, but you should see it later here like that on top somewhere. Either I think it's gonna be in the test ones. Yeah, Sepolia in the test network. So this is basically a free to use network where you can have free money, test the projects, and you connect the wallet here with this is your Ethereum address. It's the same on all the Ethereum networks like Polygon, like Phantom, Avalanche. And the second one here, you connect your fuel wallet that we just installed, connect it. That's it. So once you connect it, as you can see here, once you get some money from the test network, from the Ethereum, as you can see, I got today 0.2 ETH. I already sent some. I'm just gonna send a little bit more. Let me just send like a smaller amount because I sent already quite a bit. And as you can see, all this here is the same transactions as you would see anywhere on other networks. So confirm and send it. And as you can see, again, this screen that I had already sent and done, I just want to skip to the next one because it can take a minute or two. So the next step now, number 4, is we're going to create a vault. Actually, I didn't do it yet, so I'm gonna do it with you. Connect the wallet again. Always have to connect some wallet and create a vault. Let's create a vault with our address. continue. This is basically we're using the network to be able later to help them obviously test it, and then when they launch the full fuel main network live, we're gonna get the airdrop. So this is what we have the vault. You can do it again, you can do it many times, probably the more the better obviously, and it will help them test the network, and it will help us get some more airdrop. So that's it. You can do a couple more or whatever is going on here. You can always come back. Remember to bookmark these pages to come back, keep doing those tests, or follow them as well on Twitter. Maybe there's something new. Next step is fourth step already, or fifth. Yeah, fifth. We're gonna mint a ID. Okay, we're gonna try this one. Okay, I think it's just like a test one because it didn't open the wallet, or I didn't see it. Okay, this one I'm not sure I've seen it. This is going to the wallet that is Ethereum, I think. So not sure if it's going to be showing here or the testnet on MetaMask, but I think it's not working fully. So just maybe come back here and try again. Let's see. Yeah, I think there won't be any. This is just for testing, so this, even if you get some domain, you won't be like it's yours forever, because they're just testing it out. But just come back here and need to keep trying, and hopefully, you know, it seems there is some issue here, but maybe they have it on Discord or Telegram explained. So this is it. Next one, and the last one, is going to be a special one to play the game, which is not 100% sure that this is going to be in the airdrop like a thing, but it was. You also connect the wallet here, already connected. I don't see the button to disconnect. What you have is this bunny that you go with the keys on the keyboard, WASD. You buy, let's say, seeds, confirm the transaction, you have your wallet connected again, the fuel wallet, the new one. And then you have some seeds, you come back here and you plant those seeds, and again you have to confirm in the wallet, and this is like another step just to get more airdrop. So that's it, guys. Don't want to take your time. Hope you are here yet. The video is not even 10 minutes and we did all the tasks. I'm going to bookmark these pages definitely and come back to them. Obviously the main ones like the portal, the bridge, do some bridgings, you know, you can do every day, even if you got some test money, add some money, do it every day. Create those vaults as well every day. Why not? If you wanna just spend another 1-2 minutes every day, that's amazing. Do all these tasks. They're literally like 1, 2, 3, 4, and add them on Twitter as well, and keep following them, what's going on. We've got 250,000 people, so this could be huge, guys. So any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.